How to add music to photo in gallery. So let's begin. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, you need to open up your CapCut application. Here you need to click on new project. Here you need to select your desired image. For example, I want to use this image. Then you need to click on add. Once you have successfully added your photos here, you will then proceed to click on Add Audio from this specific location. After that, you need to carefully click on the Sounds option. This is the correct option, and within this section, you will find an option clearly labeled My Files. You absolutely need to click on it, then click on Device from this current interface. Now select any music file you have previously downloaded onto your device. For example, I will add this particular music from here. As soon as I add it, you will then need to meticulously adjust each photo according to your personal preference. The ending part, which is CapCut's distinctive watermark or its ending sequence, you need to completely delete it from here and then fully and precisely adjust the photo to perfectly synchronize with the music. After that, you can perform any other additional editing you desire, and once you have completed all the necessary editing, you need to click on Export. In this straightforward manner, you can easily add music to any photo. Subscribe for more technology content.